Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about face masking and what products I'm going to recommend to you for your skin tone as per your skin problems. Basically face masking helps you in moisturization, hyperpigmentation, acne, spots, many things. So without wasting a second, let's dive into the video. But if you are new here, I would request you to please take a second and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first product today I'm going to talk about is Himalaya Neem Face Pack. Right now I'm not having that packaging or the tube, but it's really good for acne as it contains multani mitti and neem particles. So it's really good for those who is facing acne problems, clogged pores, and it actually really effective for those people who is actually fighting for those acne marks and those spots. So it works on those area. Basically it comes in a tube form and in a sachet form. It comes in two ranges. So the small packet comes in like rupees 50 and the big tubes come of like rupees 135, which contains 100 gram of material. So it's really good for the acne prone skin. I would request you to give it a try for the acne people. Okay, so the second product is this by Beauty Formulas. This is a charcoal mask. It actually contains kaolin clay and activated charcoal, which helps in absorbing excess oils and to clean those clogged pores. So I just love this product. This comes in just one size. It contains of 100 ml of product and it's really cheap. I bought it from New Use store. It costed me of around 250 rupees, but the cost is 299. I got it in some discount. It's a really good product. Whenever I get some kind of acne, I just apply over on my acne the little bit of this charcoal mask, and it actually absorbs the excess oil from that acne, and in some like 2 to 3 days my acne is just poof, gone away. So yeah, it really helps in your oily skin. So for the oily skin people, it's a really good mask. This charcoal mask, you can give it a try. If you won't believe, this is the mask. I have used it like rigorously and this is my second tube. So I would request you to give it a try for this product. Okay, so the next product which I'm going to talk about is from Dot & Key. It's my current favorite product. This is the Vitamin C Pink Clay Mask. And just look at the packaging. It's a really good packaging. It contains the 100 gram of product, and this is for all skin types. So this product contains vitamin C and pink clay. This also contains the kaolin clay, and it actually helps in clearing up the toxins, clearing up the pores, and brightening up the skin. As you know, the vitamin C basically used for collagen synthesis, and contains the antioxidant. So yes, the vitamin C is really good for the skin. It contains the anti-aging properties as well. So I really like this product. One night I have just applied this after removing my makeup, and the next morning I was just glowing a lot. So I don't have any complaints regarding this product. This costed me of around 695, and it actually comes of rupees 750. I bought it from Nykaa, and there was some offer on Dot & Key, so I just got in 695 rupees only. Okay, so this is the cute sadabba, and I really like this packaging. If you can see the Dot & Key, it comes with this spatula for applying, and I'll show you the consistency. It's really thick consistency, very creamy, and it looked like this. So I have applied it thrice since I bought this, and it's really good if you want a natural glow from your skin. It shines, so you can try this product. I really recommend this product from Dot & Key. Okay, so coming to the next product, this is my most favorite product. I was mad about this product, and I'm using since last 3-4 months, and this is from the Body Shop, the Rose Plumping Mask. This was really costly, but I am in love with this product. I definitely use this once in a week without skipping, and I just glow. That pinkish glow comes from my skin. So I started with these two packets. It costed me around 300 rupees. I bought from Body Shop, and I have used this packet, as you can see. So yes, it contains the real roses, and this is of 75 ml, and that is of that is of 5 ml, and this is 75 ml. So you guys can try if you want to have those really plumping pink kind of glow. If you want for your skin, then just give it a try. Okay, so I'll show you the consistency. The consistency is really runny. If I just do like this, it will come, it can drop from this packet. So I usually keep this inside the fridge because it's really runny, and it's supposed to be in a cool place. So I keep it in fridge, as it costed me of around 2,195 rupees. So it's really precious to me. Okay, so moving to the next product, it's again from Body Shop, and Body Shop actually knows what the skin requires. I just feel that Body Shop, the ingredient which they mix up for mask, for body wash, for you can say face wash, is really amazing. And this product is the Nikragaon coffee face mask. This is really good. So I actually bought this from the Body Shop store, and yeah, it's also cost of rupees 300. Again, this is a 5 ml 5 gram packet. So yes, it's really good. It is really warm when you apply on your skin. It contains coffee, but when you wash it off, it actually works for your skin. This actually contains the it's an intense awakening mask. So if you're feeling very dull or sleepy, you can try this, and post applying this, you can feel like really awakening, really brightening. So you can give it a try of this mask. Okay, so moving on to the next product. This is a mask which I really don't like. I bought it like 6 months before, and it does nothing. This is from McCafe Naked and Raw Coffee Mask. This really does nothing. It costed me of around 575 rupees, contains 100 gram, and as you can see, I have utilized this much only. It actually does nothing, do nothing to my skin. The coffee property is good for anti-aging, but the clay mask does really nothing. If you just apply it and wash it off, you feel nothing. Okay, it does nothing to your skin, as it contains so many ingredients, glycerin and whatnot. But it's a big no for me. You guys want to try, so you can give it a try, but I really don't like this product. Okay, so this brings to the end of the video. Hope you guys have liked my video. I'm gonna link each and every product, the link in the description box. You can give it a try, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Do share your comments, what you think about these products, what if you want to give it a try or not. I would love to hear your comments. Thank you so much. Meet you to the next one. Bye bye.